It's July 23rd. Moose right there. I'm on the way down the river for fish this morning. Having a little bit of fun there. The salmon run on, and yeah, foggy as the devil this morning. So, yep. I'm in here again this morning, Red Cliff, Western Arm River, and hooked one fish right there by that rock, and that's all I've seen so far. And I'll let that one go. Anyway, I'm allowed 2 more today, but not many fish on the river now. Here. It's the 26th of July, and it's 6:29. On the way to the cabin this morning. I've been up there 4 or 5 days, I guess. Just going up and down to carry in a bit of stuff and have a bit of breakfast and see how everything is. Just check the cabin and stuff, and come on back again. I guess it's Friday, so the weekend's there. Yeah, I just saw a moose right there. Never got a chance to get the camera out in time. Nice big one, big animal, and he ran in the woods. I'm going to have a hit into the woods, into the cabin there now, and have a look for some cloudberries and stuff. Boiled eggs for breakfast. 6 minute eggs. I'm transferring some from the Bebop to my phone. Transfer's completed now, so keep that one. And the date is wrong. July 1st is July 22nd. No, 26th actually. 50. So we'll see now what we got there. Turn that off. Beautiful morning here this morning in the cabin. And the sea, there's not a ripple on the water, and it's hot. Oh, I'd say, well, it's 19 degrees already outside. Yep. See now what we got back. I want July the 1st. Actually, it's July the 26th. I don't know what's going on with the dates on this. May. So this is the actual video. Right here. No GPS path. Lake is pretty civil this morning, gotta say. It's 8:30. A few waves on water there. I don't know what this is going on. Bright sun. I got my eggs out ready to eat. I'm waiting for the kettle to boil now. And it's 20 degrees. And flies in millions outdoors. Yeah, I don't see any activity out on the lake. Not much. I hear a speedboat. I guess that's over in the next lake. There's fellas gone salmon fishing. Yeah, kettle is boiled. And I got baked apple jam bread as well this morning. Take a run down along the shore. First time a little bit to be going. This year I might go over for a try for salmon down the lake. Depends on how Betsy's working. Hey, Loon. How you doing, eh? Not many trout on the go this morning. Rose one fish this morning, that's it. Whew, 26th of July, 2019. My cabin way up there. One trout breached right there, just in. Not much water on the go. Very little. A long ways to go, young fella. won't be getting no wood today.